Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your video editing on CapCut PC smoother. So if you find that your CapCut PC is lagging or crashing when you are editing your project, that's probably because you don't turn the proxy on in your CapCut PC. So what you need to do is just click on anywhere on the CapCut PC. I'm going to just click here until there is this details menu show up in your CapCut PC, and you can see that the proxy is currently turned off. And to turn this on, just click on the modify box in here and then go to the performance tab, and in here you need to turn the proxy on to speed up the editing and your video quality won't be affected. So just click on the circle here, and here you can also adjust the resolution, but this only convert material above the proxy resolution. So just click on save after that, and now it has been turned on, and you can see here in the media all the videos will be will have their proxy on like this. Okay, and it will make your video editing smoother. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button on there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.